exciting times. Today, Maverick is 8 days old, and we're gonna slide, Jackson's over, we're gonna slide the mat under the pumpkin. All right, it's time. I don't wanna wait too long, don't wanna mess around, so we're gonna show you that today. It's a short video, just a short, but join us if you'd like and see how the little 8-day-old pumpkin is placed on the mat so that it can get 2,000 pounds or better. That is the goal. All right, please join us. Pumpkin, I believe, is 9 days old. We just got a bunch of rain, much needed rain. The plant looks terrible, nitrogen bloated. We're getting some new, better looking leaves. We definitely got too many nutrients going on. We're hoping the rain leach some of it off, but we're gonna slide. Show them the cement board, Jack. Get back, show them the cement board. Take the cement board, and we're gonna slide it up underneath. We pre-flattened the spot. And we're doing this now when it's little, so we don't have to try to lift and damage the big pumpkin. I like this because the mill fabric, we'll go ahead and cut, we'll go get the mill fabric. Here's the mill fabric. Now I will buy a second sheet of cement board. We got lots of time. The pumpkin's got to grow off the first 3 foot first. So for now, we'll slide this up here, careful. If I gash the pumpkin, Jack will beat me. We're already at the point where we got to lift the pumpkin, all right? So you're gonna come up here and show them a close-up. Right here, we're gonna have to lift the pumpkin so we don't damage it. So we're gonna put down the camera. We'll go ahead and do that and show them after we do it. Here's the 5 foot wide mat. The cement board's 5 feet. So actually the cement board, we're off target a little bit here. We wanna be centered. So centered, we should have 3 lines on each side. So we gotta go to the right a little with the mat. All right, say it a little, that's okay. I'm thinking the pumpkin, hopefully we dream, is that it gets too wide and we have to add mill fabric on each edge. This is 5 feet. I want the 6 feet back this way just because we're going to clamp a 2x4 on here and use that for pulling the fruit backwards. And actually here, we need to go forward because a pumpkin's gonna grow as much forward as backwards. We should have that mill fabric right up to the vine at a minimum, to the vine. So I'm gonna move some dirt around and we'll do that. This is waterproof board for doing showers made by Ladacrete. Not Ladacrete, but Ladacrete. And this stuff is dense, very strong. I'm gonna put this under the fruit because what I want to do is keep this up higher. I don't want the stem bending, over bending. And what we'll do is we'll come back and we will pull these out. When this gets like the size of a basketball, we will pull these out. See, this is even pulling the vine off the ground a little bit. Okay, that's what we want. We want to get that height. So then as she gets bigger, like this big, we'll come out here. I'll pick it up, Jackson, and you'll pull these out. We may have to add on as it grows, but we want to see, bring it down here, show a close-up. This brings the vine higher off the ground. Come on, drop the camera down here. You have a bird's eye view. The vine's up off the ground. We even got the secondary that's going to pitchfork up off the ground. All right, that's what we're going to do. We may adjust this as we go. It'll be checked daily for adjustments. All right, but for now, this is where we're at. Benny Meyer stuck pallets under his, and he pulled pallets out as it got bigger. So this may be underkill, if anything. All right, there you go. Join us at Keep It a Secret Home and Garden. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Jack and Bubba are rocking the world with videos. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.